description.
Alright, hey, this is Hans the Ramen Raider coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This is the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. Today's variety was found in a Nakama Noodles box. It's a subscription box. You can go to Meow, spelled M-I-A-U, boxjapan.com. Use the coupon code The Ramen Raider for a 15% discount. That's pretty good. Today we got this one. This should be good. It's a Myojo Chukazanmai, and it's that's a premium range out of Japan, and it's a Mapo Tofu. Mapo Tofu. So that should be good. And there's a lot of stuff in this one. So let's add the boil. Boil, 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 boil. There you go. Get over there. Alright, and leave this one to be 3 minutes. So, how do you do? I'm really happy because I want to bet this is 4 minutes. We'll see how it's doing after 3. It's worth a shot. I'm really stoked. It's been good. I've got like weird little technology junk going on right now. Like this. The robot vacuum, ladies and gentlemen. There it goes. It's going that way. It's probably going to get stuck over there. But see, there's the thing. If it comes over here, it's going to see that thing right there, and then it's gonna turn around. I think it's rad. I don't know. I find it thrilling. The technology. Oh my goodness! Wow. Technocracy. Technobagoo. Wow. God, how is it going with Elon Musk? I'm curious. It's been really quite a zoo. He did some kind of thing, and Trump just sat there in his office and looked kind of silly, and Musk kept blabbing, and he had his kid there, cute little kid, but he was picking his nose, eating his boogers, and wiping them on the Resolute desk, which it's quite a piece of furniture, folks. It's a legend in the furniture world, and it's like, really, you guys gave Obama so much crap for wearing a God, what was he wearing? I think he was just like wearing a tan shirt and a tie in the office. So, you're not respecting the office and blah 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 blah. It's like, dude, this guy's kid's wiping boogers on the desk. Wearing a baseball cap, I think. No, he was wearing a MAGA cap, that's right. And I don't know. And just like going off about, ooh, here it comes. No, come this way a little bit. Oh, you don't want to go there. Yeah, run away. It reminds me of when we had a pug, and his name was Otis. And he had some kind of condition, and we had to feed him dog vitamins or medicine or something. And we wrap it up in a slice of cheese. He was okay with it the first couple of times, and then all of a sudden, we'd like open up the cheese wrapper, and he would like turn around and run. And that's kind of what it reminds me of. The same kind of vibe. It's like, oh, no, I'm turning around. I don't want anything to do with that. Here it comes. Nope. I don't know. These kind of things make me laugh. So, hey, it's free, right? Yeah, it's not liking being around that thing. It's like, oh, I don't belong here, I should move. Then we got this little sachet, which usually is on top. And then you drop it in. and you steer it up. It's so cool. I got really mad at the robot vacuum one day, folks, and I kicked the robot vacuum. And my toe still looks funky from doing that, and I think that was in like November. Don't kick your robot vacuum. They are stronger than you would think. I kicked it pretty hard. I shouldn't have done that. But anyways, I'll never do it again. But yeah, we got an understanding now. Now we got these little towers. Now it won't bug me. But here we are. Let's give it a try. Noodle is hydrated well. It's got a smoky, slightly spicy flavor to it. Here's our broth with a little bit of tofu. That's nice. I like that. That's actually a really good one. The noodle's great. Usually the noodles in these Chukazanmai are quite good. But, yeah, if you like smoky, gosh, which bowl do I want to use? I'm going to use this one for it. It just feels like the right choice. Just watch, it'll fill over and go crazy. And no, that's about right. Now we got to make it so some of that tofu is visible. Well, there's a couple. Let go. Very soft. Very soft. Have another bite of this noodle. It's bland, I'll tell you that. Or not bland, I'll tell you that much. Strong flavor, good stuff. I like that. A little bit of that. One of those. Some of that, and I think we're good. All right. Watch it go. thanks for watching. The next one you're going to see is this tapatio chili lime shrimp. I've been really happy with these 3 new varieties. There was a birria, there's this one. What was the other one? I can't remember what the other one was, but the birria, wow, that one was the best birria variety I've tried thus far. So this will be on the next episode of It's Noodle Recipe Time. This has been Hans the Ramen Raider. Like, subscribe, do it. Have a good one. Bye-bye.